Work permits for undocumented workers. Hear why one California lawmaker's plan is creating controversy. And they call it change for change. See how Hotel Zozo in downtown Palm Springs is helping to raise money for AIDS research.
Now from the desert's news leader, News Channel 3 at 10.
Hello, I'm John White.
And I'm Tamara DeMonte. Management at Hotel Zozo challenged you to go out and make some change. They have partnered with the Desert AIDS Project to help those living with HIV and AIDS in our community.
The fundraiser comes after federal funding was cut across the board for organizations just like the Desert AIDS Project. News Channel 3's Matt Johnson is live now in studio with more on how you can help the cause. Matt.
John, Tamara, all you have to do is visit Zozo and toss in whatever you have, and your change just might help change someone's life.
It's a challenge that started with a block of ice.
I kind of wanted to say hello a little bit, and what better way than from a guy from Chicago than a little bit of ice I brought home with me.
Chris Johnson is the new general manager of Hotel Zozo in Palm Springs. It was his idea to turn the fountain in front of his hotel into a fundraiser for the Desert AIDS Project.
When I saw the facility that Palm Springs has, I was blown away, absolutely blown away.
Thursday afternoon, the Change for Change Challenge was kicked off with music, champagne, and about 200 people, all very excited to take part and be among the first to donate their spare change, all of which will be matched dollar for dollar by the hotel.
I hope I'm writing a big check. I really do. I'd love to write a large check.
And the fundraiser couldn't have come at a better time, according to David Brinkman, Executive Director at the Desert AIDS Project.
Nationally, federal dollars for AIDS service organizations has dramatically decreased over the last several months.
Among those who receive assistance is Gary Arbach. He has been living with HIV for nearly 5 years and says the organization helps him pay for his expensive HIV medications.
This is just one of many fundraisers that the Desert AIDS Project utilizes to help us all. It's a great organization, very proactive organization within the desert.
So when it was his turn to toss change into the fountain, he made a special wish that the fundraiser will live up to its name and help make change in more lives.
This fundraiser will add to, many of the programs that DAP provides for all of us here in the desert.
And the fundraiser is ongoing. Zozo challenges other hotels to also get involved. Live in studio, Matt Johnson, KESQ News Channel 3.
Okay, thank you, Matt. Boy, if you could only bottle days like today.
I wish we could.
We're going to use a bunch of them. Your first.